going on, y'all? Welcome back to the video. We got some exciting news today. We're actually heading down to the deer club. We were down there yesterday kind of getting some stuff ready, some new blinds that we had worked on. Now today's more, let's just go clear some more lanes, go ahead and get all the feeders filled up. It's pretty much a big prep day before we go out and start trying to get everything situated for the hunting season. Places that haven't really been worked on, that if we want to bring somebody, they have a place to go. Pretty much everyone's stand just needs to get ready. And for the first time, we're actually staying in the deer club after it's been fully restored. So this is going to be exciting. I'm probably have to run to Walmart, grab all of our little supplies. Yeah, we're trying to figure out Wi-Fi right now so I can be able to work and put out some of these videos for you guys. So we will get it all figured out, but like I said, today is just a whole maintaining day at the old deer club, and we get to sleep in her tonight. So that being said, y'all enjoy. We'll see you down at the deer club. Alright, y'all, we just made it here to the old deer club. We're getting everything situated right now. About to get the Defender unloaded. We have all of our corn. We needed like 70 bags, so I'll show you guys once we get down there. But Braden actually invested in some gravity feeders, and they hold like 1,200 pounds a piece. Hogs have been whooping our tails, so this is supposed to kind of slow that down, but it takes a lot more corn and nothing stops it. It's not controlled, it's just gravity fed, so if the deer are eating it, they want to be there for 6 hours, they can do it. But at least we got some corn out here though. We still have some on the cob. I prefer to use that. It slows them down. I just want to throw it out in the middle of the field. But yeah, let's get everything kind of unloaded and get in the Defender. I think we're heading to the field stand first. Get that situated. I think we're going to worry about my stand tomorrow a little bit more. Guys, we're down there. We're having fun. I love being out here at the deer club. And like I said, we're spending the night. So it's super exciting. So let's get to it. Alright, we made it to our first spot. This is the gravity feeder I was talking about. It's a big joker. We put up that blind yesterday. The thing's looking sweet. We got to re-angle the feeder. Brandon wants to shoot a different way, so let's go ahead and move it. Got a nice row leading to our gravity feeder. We're gonna put a camera there, and then we got another camera going over there, so we have 2 different angles. Looks like a lot of corn, but like I said, if the hogs come in here, this will be gone in a couple nights. Hopefully the deer, they'll sit here and they'll eat it for a little bit. Until we can get more corn, this should keep them in the area. Y'all saw some shots. I was following Braden in the Defender while he was using the skid steer. We pretty much just made a new spot, possibly, but we won't have it ready for this year. We could if we wanted to push it, but this year we've just been trying to find some other spots that we haven't, we never hunted really, and just try to open them up. So this is a nice little patch around us. Possibly next year will be a food plot. We got a couple good lanes all the way around. Put a stand somewhere in those wood lines, or we can even have a feeder right in here. We can move it all around. The point was just to open it up a little bit, and the thing's looking great. So we're on to the next. Right now, Braden's cutting in the field. It is a cool spot, and I'll show you guys here in a second why. There's a creek that runs right here, and then the road's really right behind us, so the deer are coming front and center. This is the second redneck blind. This thing's bad to the bone. I have to do a little bit of work to it, like stake it down and just kind of finish up the little touches on it. Braden's cutting everything down. We're gonna get a feeder in here, throw out some corn like we did the last section. This is where I'm gonna be doing a lot of my hunting, so we're trying to get this spot really, really good. Can't work when we got Killer over here cutting shit down. Like I said, this is where I'm gonna be doing a lot of my hunting. I'm super excited. There's one deer in here. I can't give it away yet, but I'm pretty pumped to get him. You guys won't expect why, but it's pretty unique. So whenever he's done with that, I'm gonna jump in here, start doing the redneck blind, get it all staked down, and we'll move on to the next step. We got a stake down. They really don't give us enough, but we got 2 on the ladder and then 2 on the opposite side. Drove that into the ground. We got that secured so the wind and kind of just like holds it down. And you got like a locker right here you can tighten it down to. We're just straightening up all the carpet that lays inside, but overall, this field's looking good. Braden done went through here, opened it up a lot, and like I said, you can't really, like, you're looking straight at where the deer are gonna be coming from. You got a chance they could come left or right, maybe behind me from the road, but I doubt it because it's not even that far off of it. So we're looking straight at where these deer are coming from. Coming down that hill right here, and you kind of see their trail in there. It's opened up. Like I said, what we got to do now is we did have a camera out here, but it kind of malfunctioned. We only got a couple of deer that came in here. I saw the one that I liked that I want to shoot, but we need to get the cameras changed out. We need to put probably not a gravity feeder. We're just going to go with all the old barrel ones we used to have, just so this spot is open for the season. It should work. We'll have some deer in here and be all situated and then move on to the next. Just better lift me up. Can't get these little platforms that are hanging over. It's blocking the right side view. So going up in the brush hole, it's blocking it. Alright guys, camera's getting low, so I couldn't really film me clearing it out, but you guys saw I was ripping everything out of there. Carpet's all freshened up, kept the foam. Went around the whole entire stand and hit it with the machete, got it all nice and neat. Another stand up for someone to hunt.
Alright, I'm trying to be quiet, I don't know who's sleeping out there, but yeah, we wanted to film a little bit more once we got to the deer club today. But guys, we worked our freaking tails off. And it's so comfy in here, it's like we're all just kind of tired. As soon as we left the property today, we went and got some food, came back. I'm actually editing this video for y'all right now. I don't know what time it is. It's only 9:22, but yeah, y'all can hear the AC. It's freaking bumping in here. It's just, it's relaxing. We spent so much time working on this place to finally get it to where we want it to be, to stay down here, and you know, we can wake up and get right to the property. So it's a win-win. We will talk a little bit more in the morning, but for right now, I'm gonna finish editing this video for you guys. We'll pick this back up, and it's a new day tomorrow, jumping out there on the property and getting some stuff done. So just wanted to pick this up. We're all chilling. It feels great in here, and we're gonna get a good night's sleep. So I'll see you guys in the morning.
Tons of bacon, eggs, grits, a biscuit. What the hell that is, I don't know. Pretty early, I don't know what it is about new places. I slept good, but any new place I kind of go to, it just takes me a while to go to sleep. Slept good, just wanted more sleep. I have an air conditioning, like it's gotta be freezing for me to get a good night's sleep. If it's like any bit of like 72, 73, I can't do it. They told me I was gonna be freezing my ass off. I was out here with no blanket having a great time. I'm gonna chow this down and we're gonna go outside and go see what B-Man's doing. Alright, y'all, just want to jump on here real quick. The video, not that it was all over the place, but guys, in the last 2 days, we have gotten so much done down there at the deer club. It's just, it's a lot. A lot of people don't understand how long it takes to prepare for a hunting season and just like in general how to maintain land to make sure that you have animals to hunt. What's crazy about it is that we're gonna have to go down there again because those gravity feeders, like I said, they hold, I think total it's like 27 bags of corn a piece, and it's over 1,200 pounds per feeder. So it's a pretty big upgrade for what we're used to. But that's what it's about, and having the deer club to stay and to sleep, and we just wake up and we get to go saves us a lot of time. And like I said, it was just so cozy in there last night. We all kind of got back from a long day at work, and you know, we're just tired. That's why I tried to jump on here and talk to you guys a little bit in the morning while I was eating my breakfast, and then right to it, heading out to the property. And like I said, there's a special buck that I've been looking at. I'm not going to give it away. I will tell you guys this though. To me, it's not about how big it is. Of course, shooting a big buck, I'm hunting for the meat. So I mean, if a deer's got character, and I've been watching them for a while, it's this deer's been around for the last 2 or 3 years on this property. So you guys are getting a kick out of it, and I'm pretty stoked to go get them. Probably be back down there tomorrow to go fill up the rest of those feeders. If you enjoyed the video and like filming like the whole hunting club kind of series thing, we're out there maintaining this property, y'all, you know what to do. Leave in the comments down below. And for any suggestions on the deer club, I hope you guys like the overnight stay. And me and B are always talking. We have a lot of stuff planned for both of our channels to go down there. So guys, like I said, if you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments down below. Any suggestion ideas, you know what to do. I appreciate you guys watching. Until next time, Bass TV.